Hey guys, we're eating right now. We got that gang here. Oh, yeah.
For 40 days and 40 nights, where he is tested by Satan. Nobody loves you because you love nobody in your life. Money can't buy that love.
Get away from me. She's taking my blanket. It's hard. Guys, why is her leg on me? I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. And she took my blanket. Nah, give it back. Give it back. Oh, crack out. No. Guys, it's 11:52 and I'm eating uno quatre and papaya salad because I got hungry.
It's fatty, bro.
I'm already vlogging, so. Guys, Miss Big Back came to visit me.
Ooh.
What? I put on coffee over there. Oh. Libra, come say hi.
Well, I'm not gonna need my sweat, so I'm good.
You good with that to sleep?
She was sweating all day. Don't sleep on me.
I'm sleeping right beside you.
Don't sleep on me.
Cuddling with you too.
Okay.
Is that pineapple cookie?
Oh, you got some pineapple.
What? Where? I want some as well. I want some.
Hey, I'm gonna go get a cup. Bro.
No, just drink from it. We're gonna finish it anyway.
I'm getting a bottle of here.
You see this big bag?
I want some.
Ginger ale hits every time. Ask Miss Big Bag. She got a whole bottle. There's some more. Crazy spicy.
You want some grapes?
I want blueberry.
And I want to be rich.
Wait, let me try. I want to try.
Try some.
But
Just make it. It's your soup.
Late night McDonald's. Late night McDonald's.
They're going to my ice cream bar.
I just got blueberry in the car.
You gonna eat it?
I found this.
Show me.
Where's that?
Oh,
I want egg.
the egg.
Right, I want egg. Hey, bro, you can mix all up. What? Wait. Okay.
I love them. There's a lot of them.